Push notifications not working in iPhone fix. So if the push notifications on iPhone is actually not working, what can you do to basically fix this? To fix this, what you can do is, first of all, make sure you have not enabled something like do not disturb mode on your iPhone, because if you have enabled do not disturb mode on your iPhone, you might not be receiving push notifications. Second, you want to simply open up settings. Once you open up settings, what you want to do is you want to simply scroll, and here you can go to notifications. Here you can simply turn on count, stack or list on your lock screen ones, and for show previews you want to select show. You can also announce no notifications, and you can search a certain app for which you are not receiving notifications and make sure that you have allowed the toggle next to allow notifications. And when you've done that, next time when you receive a notification from that app, you should be able to receive the push notifications. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.